Hello, I'm adding this video to YouTube because I have the solution to a problem that I had and couldn't find a video for it. I'm replacing the wiring harness for the third stoplight and the cargo lights on a 2009 Ford Sport Trac. And as you can see, the connections for the bulbs were in bad shape because of heat over the years, and the housing of the lenses was broken, so it all needed to be replaced. I went to Ford and bought the entire assembly, harness and all, for about $120, but I'd read a lot of things about finding products that weren't very good quality. So the problem was, how do you change the wiring harness? The attachment for it is about right there, and there is no way that you can access the clip that releases it from the outside of the vehicle. So a very simple solution, really. Go inside the car and go to that sort of trim strip on the very back of the headliner, and it has 6 clips on it. They just pull out, and when that's released, you can access the connection that mates with this. Otherwise, you can't get to it. So I hope that helps. It's pretty simple, really. The little trim comes off, and then you can pull the headliner down and it unclips very easily, and you can put the new wiring harness in place. I'm going to add LED bulbs when they come tomorrow. Again, I hope this is helpful to somebody with a 2009 Ford Sport Trac.